may nabasa akong or may nakita akong video sa YouTube na something na parang nag-pick sa interest ko. And it basically tells me na ang mali daw ng mga tao sa ngayon is that they are trying na maging productive na to the point na ginagawa nila halos lahat na lang ng bagay. Pero mali pala yon. And mas better pala na instead of doing multiple things at once is gumawa ka ng isang bagay and allocate a lot of hours into it para magka-gain ka ng result. Kasi it can lead to better and more meaningful and more faster result kaysa sa parang marami kang ginagawa all at once. So may tatlong principle akong natutunan habang pinapanood kong yung video. Yung unang principle is do fewer things. When you try na gawin yung sobra, yung enerhiya mo, yung energy mo, and yung attention mo is parang mag-i-scatter na sa kadami-daming task na gagawin mo. And it will lead to lower quality work kasi hindi ka makaka-focus. And so, kapag magka-cut back ka ng mga task and magpo-focus ka lang sa what truly matters sa situation mo ngayon, you can produce better and more meaningful results with less stress. Yung pangalawang principle naman is work at a natural pace. Meaning, wag mong i-push yung sarili mo na mag-work ng long hours like 12, 13, 14 hours kahit hindi mo na gusto. Kasi, hindi siya productive. It's more better na parang mag-spend ka ng time, like specific time na parang natural sa'yo na hindi forced. Kasi in that way, mas magiging natural din yung focus mo. And if kung magte-take ka ng breaks, mag-slow down ka if kung kailangan, and allowing time for deep work, it can help you to maintain long-term na productivity, and especially it will prevent burnouts. Yung pangatlo naman at yung panghuli is dapat magfo-focus ka sa quality over quantity. So, prioritizing quality over quantity is magli-lead to better results in the long run. So, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to chase perfection. There's like a thin boundaries on it. It means like you have to give yourself enough time to do meaningful work without obsessing over minor details, diba? And the goal is progress, not perfection.